Tonight brings us to a culmination of collaborative efforts from around the world, bringing together many of the best and brightest contributors in science and research. And an important part of these collaborations, it includes providing a platform that lends aid and encouragement to those newer colleagues and companions who likewise, laboring in the same sphere, aspire to honored positions, which is scientific recipients shall signify as come up higher. I now welcome Janelle Simmons, Sigma Xi's Manager of Programs, to share the results of the work presented during the Student Research Conference. Welcome, Janelle.
Thank you, Dr. Vernon. So today is the day that everyone has been waiting for. Over 400 presentations were submitted by high school, undergraduate, and graduate students. And they were judged by approximately 100 volunteers, members of Sigma Xi, and others. I want to thank those judges who were led by a team of lead judges to assist in this process. I would also like to thank Christine Cardis, Programs Coordinator, and Jasmine Shah, Director of Finance and Administration, for assisting with this process and tabulation of the scores. The following students received overall ratings of superior and will receive a commemorative medal recognizing this achievement, a monetary award, and membership in Sigma Xi with the first year of dues waived. When I call your name, please click on the raise hand feature so you can be brought in to the room as a panelist, and please remain muted. First, we will start with the high school division awards. In agricultural, soil, and natural resources, Norman Christian S. Candolita, senior high school within Bancourt Elementary School. In cell biology and biochemistry, Sahil Joshi, Crystal Springs Upland Schools. In chemistry, Krit Kazakpan, Mahidol Witayanusorn School. In ecology and evolutionary biology, Aviva Segal, New Rochelle High School. In engineering, Charlotte Lenore Michaluk, Hopewell Valley Central High School. In environmental sciences, Leah Damaraju, West Shore Junior Senior High School. In geosciences, James Chen, Kirby School. In human, behavioral, and social sciences, Jack and David Duitz, SAR High School. In math and computer science, Ellen Zhu, Del Norte High School. In microbiology and molecular biology, Samuel Lustig, University School of Nashville, and Sharon Kodali, Christian Brothers Academy, Syracuse. In physics and astronomy, Iona Zia, Monta Vista High School. And finally, physiology and immunology, Pratham Hombal, Buchanan High School. Thank you to all of our participants. Thank you and congratulations to our high school winners. Next, we have our undergraduate division awards. In cell biology and biochemistry, Shania D. Day, University of California, Irvine. In chemistry, Antonia Shreya Gomes, Rochester Institute of Technology. In ecology and evolutionary biology, Jerry Tyler and Allison Lucas, Longwood University. In engineering, Alexandria Brady Mine, University of South Florida. In environmental sciences, Lizeth Gutierrez, University of California, Irvine. In geosciences, Yamna Hussein Siddiqui and Taha Hussein Siddiqui, Quinnipiac University. In human behavioral and social sciences, Tanvi Palsamudram, Rice University. In math and computer sciences, Loran Chen, University of Southern California. In microbiology and molecular biology, Katie Trampel, the George Washington University. In physics and astronomy, Lauren Sampson, State University of New York at Oswego. And in physiology and immunology, Kimberly Doan, Mission College. Congratulations to our undergraduate division winners. Next, we have our graduate division awards. In cell biology and biochemistry, Sapede Mohammed Hossein Poor and Alex Weaver, Arkansas State University. In ecology and evolutionary biology, Victoria Abreu Riosi, Oakland University. In engineering, Kerry Brosnan, Manhattan College. In human behavioral and social sciences, there is a tie. Pamela Martinez Oquendo, University of Nebraska-Lincoln, and Nicholas Pataro and Logan Cho, Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. In math and computer science, Paul Mayer, Western Connecticut State University. Microbiology and molecular biology, Miriam Bondakar, Brown University. In physics and astronomy, Alyssa Mola, University of Maryland. And in physiology and immunology, Jacqueline Yarman and Madeline Bauman, Case Western Reserve University. These were our poster presenters in the high school, undergraduate, and graduate categories. Congratulations to our winners. Next, we have our oral presentation. Our oral presentations were awarded as top presenter high school, top presenter undergraduate, and top presenter graduate. So our top presenter in the high school category for oral presentations goes to Larissa Ma, American Heritage High School. Top presenter undergraduate in oral presentations, we have a tie. We have Krupa Sekhar, Cornell University, and Sydney Penrose, Oakland University. For top presenter graduate in our oral presentations, we have another tie. Kanita Chowdhury, Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center, and Alex Saptila, University of North Carolina at Charlotte. Now this year, in addition to our research disciplinary categories, the 2021 conference is showcasing interdisciplinary projects that address global research challenges. Top scores in the research categories, well, the research interdisciplinary categories, were evaluated by a designated panel of judges. The top presentations in each interdisciplinary research category will receive a medal recognizing this achievement, monetary award, and membership in Sigma Xi with the first year of dues waived. So when I call your name, please click on the raise hand feature so you can be brought in as a panelist, and please remain muted. So our first one, Understanding the Universe, Astronomy and Space Sciences, goes to Amanda Howe, Aragon High School. Next, we have Biology and Biotechnology, Understanding the Brain, Origins of Life, Assembling Tree of Life, Understanding Biological Systems. goes to Jerry Tyler and Allison Lucas, Longwood University. Next, environmental challenges, providing access to clean water, mitigating climate change, food security, managing the nitrogen cycle, sustaining clean air, preserving biodiversity. We have a tie. And it goes to Ashika Nag from Oviedo High School and Chelsea Hu from Basis Independent McLean. Human health, advancing drug design and limiting drug resistance, advancing health informatics, advancing vaccines, preventing pandemics, cancer detection and therapy goes to Pravalika Putalapadu, Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology. Advances in computation, cybersecurity, quantum computing, artificial intelligence goes to Ashwin Parthasarathi, American Heritage School, Palm Beach campus. Design, construction and manufacturing, improving urban infrastructure, innovations in manufacturing and advanced materials goes to Patricia Moore from Suffolk County Community College. Tools for science, education, and personalized learning goes to Sanskriti Chichanish from the University of Chicago. And we have human sciences and policy, which goes to Mia Torres, University of South Florida. Congratulations to our interdisciplinary research category winners. Now, we have one more award for students, and that is our Student Choice Award. The DC chapter of Sigma Xi sponsored a special Student Choice Award where student presenters selected a pair with an outstanding presentation. Student Choice Award winners will have an award as well, and they will also receive a monetary award sent to them. When I call your name, please click on the raise hand feature so you can be brought in as a panelist, and please remain muted. So there is a first prize and a second prize for the Student Choice Award. The second prize of $100 goes to Samir Elhushi, American Heritage School, Palm Beach campus. And our Student Choice Award, $200 first place prize goes to Akshay Onikrishnan, Plano East Senior High School. Congratulations to our Student Choice Award winners. Congratulations to our poster presentation top presenters and our oral presentation top presenters. And at this time, I would like to introduce to you Dr. Emma Perry, Chair of the Committee on Qualifications and Membership, who will induct our new members of Sigma Xi.
Good evening. Thank you to Janelle and to all the contributors to the Student Research Conference. It's my pleasure to participate in the induction of Sigma Xi's newest initiates. Congratulations on winning. And I'd ask you perhaps if you could turn on your cameras to take the pledge. I know we can't hear everyone, but it is nice to see everyone. And remember that Sigma Xi are companions in science. This is just the beginning. We can be with you throughout your career. Feel free to reach out to your mentors, teachers, friends, colleagues, Sigma Xi website, and we can help. So, Sigma Xi's bylaws affirm that individuals elected to membership shall be informed of the aims and objectives of the society, which are established in the following statements shown here on your screen. Culture. The society is a diverse organization of members and chapters dedicated to companionship in science and engineering, and to the advancement of knowledge through research, service, and teaching. Mission: to enhance the health of the research enterprise, foster integrity in science and engineering, and promote the public's understanding of science for the purpose of improving the human condition. Vision: Sigma Xi will be recognized as the global interdisciplinary society that promotes ethics and excellence in scientific and engineering research. And I'm now going to read the pledge. And while you may be muted, when I'm done, if you could affirm by saying, I do. Okay. Do you hereby pledge yourself in accordance with the purposes and objectives of Sigma Xi, the Scientific Research Honor Society, to encourage original investigations in science, to foster companionship and cooperation among scientists, to maintain honor, integrity, and honesty in all scientific activities, and to assume the other continuing responsibilities of membership? Congratulations to you all and welcome. You are now officially a member of Sigma Xi. And I want to welcome at this point Sigma Xi President, Dr. Robert Pennock, back to share his remarks.
Thank you, Emma. To everyone, congratulations to all our award recipients on your achievements, and welcome to Sigma Xi, the Scientific Research Honor Society. You may not have known of Sigma Xi before hearing of and taking advantage of our student research conference, but we're glad you're here. This is a society with deep roots. It has deep historical roots. Our Grants in Aid of Research program, which funded many of your projects, has been a Sigma Xi program since 1922. This coming year, we're celebrating its 100th anniversary. Sigma Xi itself was founded in 1886. Long time previous to that at Cornell University. It's hard to believe now, but at that time, it was a radical innovation to include science at the college level. Cornell was a pioneer in that. To be a science student at that time was really to be a pioneer yourself in a new way of thinking. So it's not surprising that Sigma Xi saw its group at that time as founding what they called a society of companions in zealous research. It's the motto of the society. But I also want to call your attention to another kind of roots, the roots of values that are underlying this, that underlie the methods and the practices of science. I call these the scientific virtues. Written about this philosophically, and really for the last 8 years, I've conducted a national survey where we interviewed 1,100 scientists about the character traits that underlie excellence in research. They include traits centered on curiosity and honesty. Others include perseverance, objectivity, skepticism, and the idea of humility to evidence, following the data where it leads rather than where you might hope it would go. These are the traits that we aim to cultivate as scientists to make for excellence in research. These are what's represented in the poster for this year's conference, and the theme of roots to fruits. It's from the roots of these values, these virtues, that the fruits of science, the discoveries, the innovations flow. Sigma Xi recognizes those values and helps budding scientists like yourselves cultivate them. We are companions in this corporate search. Welcome into this fellowship of companions. You're now one of us. We hope you will spread it to others. Congratulations to you all.